is $320,000, which means in 2023 alone, we are up $211,678. Absolutely insane what we accomplished in the bear market, and I am so excited to see what happens in the bull run. Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to 2024. My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and over this weekend, Bitcoin bounced off of structure support just as expected, exactly the point we were looking at, and is now on its way back up. Now, within the next couple of weeks, the Bitcoin ETF is estimated to be released between January 5th and January 10th, 2024. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about where I think Bitcoin is going to head in both the short and long term after the Bitcoin ETF release. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with TradeConfident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Now, we are here on the TradeConfident.io homepage. There's only 2 days left in the New Year's sale. This ends Tuesday, January 2nd at 5 p.m. Pacific time. You're going to want to snag these fast. This is up to $650 worth of savings. Take advantage of this sale now. This is the last major sale for a while. Now, the break even for our Trade Confident Coinbase account is $320,000, which means in 2023 alone, we are up $211,678. Absolutely insane what we accomplished in the bear market, and I am so excited to see what happens in the bull run. Speaking of profits and the bull run, as of today, we are 118 wins, 0 losses. Our traders are really happy recently. If we head over here, this person won the 5% AVAX trade while they were sleeping. They didn't even have to be at their computer, and they were still winning trades with our strategy. Congrats on that. This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days. This person covered their membership dues for the year. Absolutely crazy. With that, we are heading into the live charts. I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now, I will be going over multiple time frames, so stay tuned. But I want to go over this symmetrical triangle pattern first. We are continuing to trade inside of it. Over the weekend, as said in the intro, we bounced off of structure support at $41,349. Perfect move, exactly as we were expecting, and now we are on our way back up. Personally, I do not expect a move above this resistance before the release of the ETF. I think we're going to continue playing out through this pattern. I think this is looking a little bullish for now, and I think previous resistance sitting somewhere around $43,830 is to be expected for the move up. I do not expect it to go any higher than our actual high for 2023, at least not until after the release of the Bitcoin ETF. Personally, I'm expecting this move up to play out through this week, but it is said that the Bitcoin ETF release will see a massive move to the upside, followed by a much more gradual but much larger drop. Now, we talk more about that in our future forecast videos. Those are available to our members. I'll talk to you more about that later. But if you want to learn more, the resources within our membership are going to be really helpful. And hint, it has a lot to do with the gold ETF release. If you look at historical data, we see major moves up in the beginning, followed by massive crashes. As we are trading today, price versus well money flow is neutral. Trades in favor is low with a 52% chance of a pump, both of which typically result in moves to the upside. Once again, we are expecting moves up, and from the current price, this is looking like a move of about 2.67%. But after that, if we head to the 1-week time frame, things are looking much, much more bearish. As of right now, we see price versus well money flow really high with whale money trickling out of the market. We see trades in favor still topped out with a 99% chance of a drop, which puts us at the perfect timing to see a massive longer-term correction in the market. Just as we see from the gold ETF, once again, more information on that is available on our website. But once again, things are just looking really, really bearish in today's market. Based on the current charts, if we scroll out here, we do have another resistance structure right here. That sits at $48,240. I think this is the absolute maximum. I'm talking the absolute maximum that we're going to see the price of Bitcoin go before we see any major crashes. We do have a little bit of room to move up, and I do think retail traders are actually going to pump the price as soon as the Bitcoin ETF is released. I think they're going to pump money in like crazy. It's crazy bullish for Bitcoin. But once that happens, whales have been buying for a long time. Likely sits the bottom of Bitcoin back here. Now, as they've been buying and buying and buying, the price has been increasing significantly. This is where whales are making their money, and as retail traders increase the price of Bitcoin, this is where whales are going to reject this resistance, either of these resistances, in fact. And if on the 1 week time frame you see whale money moving out of the market, you can expect some pretty significant crashes to the downside. And our current price structure shows a strong structure support at $31,862. I think we could probably just call that an even 32,000, but for the sake of accuracy, let's stick with that 31,800. Once again, retailers buy the news. They're going to keep buying and buying and buying, pumping up the price. While traders reject either of these resistances and begin selling, taking profits on our long trade liquidity, beginning to short the market to create a long squeeze, pushing the price down even farther. Now, this is a several month outlook for Bitcoin. I want to repeat that. This is a several month outlook for Bitcoin. Shorter term, if we head back to the 1-day time frame, absolutely a move up to $43,830 is likely. But whether whales reject this resistance or the $48,000 resistance, massive moves down are very likely coming over the next couple of months. We're right within the range of the mid-cycle top. It's very healthy to see corrections at this point, and this is why I'm not worried. Once we see that correction, I think it's going to be all uphill. I think the bull market is really on from that point. This is where we're going to get really excited. This is where we get into the halving event. But major moves for Bitcoin are incoming. Symmetrical triangles tend to indicate decreasing volatility in the market, and the closer to the apex of this triangle we get, the more and more likely a breakout becomes. So be on the lookout for that. What you're going to want to do is use the price versus well money flow. As well money drops, this will drop the price of Bitcoin. And once you get price versus well money flow low, trades in favor in the long trade zone. And if we get a buy signal anywhere within this reach, all three of these signals would combine to be extremely bullish. This is exactly what we're looking for in order to buy the dip. Literally as easy as that, just waiting for three signals to line up. Now, as this plays out, you need to be using these indicators, and you just got the timing right. These indicators are on sale until Tuesday, January 2nd at 5 p.m. Pacific time for our New Year's sale. Welcome to 2024. I think this is going to be an amazing year for us traders. And with that, if you want to snag these indicators at that massive discount, you're going to want to check out the links in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Now, this is going to be a little bit weird, but you're actually going to want to check out our membership first for the largest discount. Membership link is the second one. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. The full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Price increases on this are coming soon, so hurry up and snag that. Besides these massive members only discount codes, members get access to weekly group coaching with our future forecast, access to all trade setups, currently 118 wins, 0 losses, access to our live coaching every single month. We just did that last week. It was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining us for that. And access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Of course, there's many more benefits. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts. And once you have your membership, you're going to go to the first link in the description. The indicator link is here. Click that. And you're going to see you only have 2 days left to get $650 off our New Year's indicator sale. Do not miss out. Scroll down here. Members get a massive $250 off. That is why you got a membership first. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From there, you're going to scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total discount of $650 just as promised. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the charts. This is going to be a really exciting year.